So I believe my silver arrived today. I ordered from SD Bullion. I was wondering if they would put that on the shipping label. They did not. So a little more inconspicuous. So we will get this open and see what this is like here. First time ever. Doing this of ordering silver from online. So I'm going to pause it here so I can get through this. It's a really thick plastic. All right, so we have taken the thick wrapper off, gotten these straps undone, and cut this to where I think it's ready to open. I think. Cool. It's both orders. I ordered this one, a 100-ounce bar. These are each kilo bars. And I ordered the 100-ounce bar from about, I don't know, it's maybe 4 or 5 days later. It was early in the next week. So, yeah, I thought it were gonna be sent and arrive separately, but as a new customer, when I ordered these, there was a bit of a delay, I think. So anyway, that's cool. I got them both. So let's check these out. All right, so here they are. 2 kilos, and silver dropped a little bit more. Actually, it went up a little bit just by cents when I bought this, but they offered 50 cents less on the surcharge per ounce. So it's $1.99 per ounce. So yeah, so there you have it. And I'm glad I did, because then silver jumped a little right after I bought that one. Kind of wishing I doubled up now. I got a couple of those, but shipping label, card. And I'm going to put those back in the bubble wrap and store in an ammo box, since not that it really needs to be, but it's got the seals, keep things nice and airtight, and it's a sturdy box. So there you have it. First order from SD Bullion, and definitely looks good. It was quick, inexpensive, surcharge. So I hope you enjoyed. I can now recommend them, and I also highly recommend getting some silver. The way we're headed, there's plenty of resources out there on the YouTubes and the interwebs of why to be buying silver and gold. But yep, just making my splash into it now.